Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topics: Python variable reference deletion. So first of all, what is this variable reference? So in Python, every variable is a name which refers to a memory location containing a value. For example, if I take a equals to 10, so a is a reference variable which would be pointing to or referring to a value or object 10 in the memory. Okay, and then we can say print id of 10. So we'll be getting the unique id which is assigned to value 10 or object 10 in memory by Python virtual manager. Okay, so now we can delete this variable reference using Dell keyword. So the syntax goes like this: Dell space variable name. Okay, so it will become example Dell A. So now A is a reference variable. It does not point to any value in the memory. It does not point to any value in the memory. So after deleting the variable A, okay, the reference variable A, if we try to access it, we'll get a name error. Okay, so let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python variable deletion example 1. Right, so first take comments at the beginning of the program using hash. I'm taking a10 and then I'm saying print a, print id of a. So let us execute till here. Right, so save the program, come to the command prompt, and then go to the working directory where you have saved the program, and then run the program. So Python variable deletion example1.py. So a is a reference to the value 10. So that reference we can get it through id. So the id of a to which it is pointing to, or the address of 10 is 22055328382224. Now I will say delete a, so the reference will be gone. If I say print a or id of a, I'll be getting a error. So run the program. So 10 is the value. This is the new id or reference which will be changing from program to program, execution to execution. And when I say print a is not referring to any memory location, so we'll get a name error. Okay, a is not defined. Okay, right. So now I will take b is equals to 20. Okay, I'll say here print b id of b. Okay, let's just save this, come to the command prompt and run it. So print b, so b value is 20, its reference is 544114 in the last. Okay, right. So now I can delete multiple variables like this, a comma b. Okay, so delete a comma b, and after that if I say print a comma b, I should get a error. Okay, so here I'll print one more message also. So variable reference a b deleted. Okay, so save this and run it. So a 10 its id, b 20 its id. After that we have deleted a comma b, so variable reference a b deleted, and when we try to print a comma b we'll get an error. Name a is not defined, the error name is name error. Okay, right. So the note point goes like this here. So we can delete multiple variables at a time, okay, using comma operator or simply comma. Example, delete a comma b. So this is how we can work with variable reference deletion in Python program, and it is done with a keyword in Python, which is Dell keyword. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.